Ronnie Lee's Automotive opened in 1998, and my dad Ronnie started it. He was one of the first BMW technicians in Mobile when they acquired the BMW franchise. We've since added some of the other European car lines, Mercedes, Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, and Volvo. We also can help you with your Jaguar or Land Rover. We don't use knockoff parts, we use the factory approved products, and that keeps your car going longer. So keep your car going and it'll keep you going. We're here for our customers and their needs. Without them, we wouldn't be here, so we appreciate each and every one of them. We have customers that have been with us for 20 years, and some of them have even followed us from my dad's days at the dealership. They still come to us, and it means a lot that they trust us that long after all this time. We're big enough to where we can make the investment to stay up to date with your vehicle, but we're small enough to care about each individual customer and each individual car. We service all of Baldwin County and all of Mobile County as well. We have several customers that make the drive over for our customer service and good relations. We're located in Daphne on County Road 64, and we look forward to meeting you.